In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to trade bearish engulfing below the resistance level and why be patient pays dividend. Um, Today, the price open with a gap down, hit the support, make a false breakout, and from here the price goes up with three green candles. And from here the price pretty much was in sideways in range oscillating above the support level, going down, up, down, like this, so on and so forth. And trading is crucial to be patient because 95% of the business is be patient. From here, the price was oscillating. When the price was below this level, remember, the level was support. When the part is below this support become in resistance level. Very important. Let me make it bigger my screen. From here, this is a clear bearish engulfing that involve the previous candle. Also, it takes more relevant when the price it is below the resistance level. Let me change the color in red. Yes. Also, this candle right here telling us many information because this candle it has a weak tail rejection above. This means the seller taking control of the key level. From here, a solid red candle, three green candle, and boom appeared the beautiful bearish engulfing that involved the previous candle. One more time, bearish engulfing take more relevant when the price is below the resistance level. Enter input, stop loss in this case above the resistance level, right above, right here, because in the trading anything can happen at any time. For that reason, you think the price going to direction. What happens if the price goes against you? You got a plan B. You must have a plan because the rule number one it is cut losses quickly when the price goes against you. Got it input a 12 above or the price going down with this big candle, it is enough to exit because right here it is 150%. Let me repeat that again, 150% in profit with 25 minutes because we got it right here, 10 minutes, 20 minutes, this candle, because these candlesticks are 5-minute candles. 150% in profit is a lot for 25 minutes. If the price continue going down, it's okay. Do not be greedy because take the profit, keep it, and repeat this again. Look for the next one good trade, one good trade, and one good trade. This I learned from the amazing guy, Mike Villafiore. And this candle right here, as you can see above, it has weak tail rejection, means the select to the control like this, the same. You must to train your eyes in order to identify this pattern. When you train your eyes every single day watching your screen, you're gonna take advantage of your own trading business. One more time before I wrap up this video. Bearish engulfing below the resistance level, it take more relevant. However, always set up your stop loss tight because in the trading, anything can happen at any time. You must be prepared for surprises. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow for the third day of November because I'm sorry. Tomorrow is October 31st, Halloween. Tomorrow will be a lot of movement in the stock market. Um, I forgot, I forgot something very important. Let me, right now, as I recorded the video, the price it is above the support level that before was resistance. Remember, right now the price it is above the support level. We have a clear support level for tomorrow, and we got a clear resistance level for tomorrow. Tomorrow, Friday, October 31st. The price right now it is above the support. If tomorrow the price going up, hit the resistance, or if tomorrow open above this level, if tomorrow the price open above, it is a clear support level. And very important, this candle right here, this huge red candle, yes, let me, wait, let me, yes, this huge red candle means, in my own experience, this candle means call the price when going up. I'm not saying this is gonna happen. In my trade, I trade many times. When I saw this big or huge red candle, the price is gonna go up. Prepare for that moment before that happen. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.